Hi, I'm Bart from Rapallo. We're an Auckland-based home cinema, hi-fi and installations company. We'd like to show you around our new showroom, so come inside and have a look. As you enter our showroom, please check the special deals on our digital signage. We can do a live demo of wireless speakers such as Riva and Yamaha Musicast. In the soundbar lounge, we have Klipsch, Q-Acoustics and Yamaha soundbars on demo. Relax and test biodynamic, chord electronics, topping, FIO and more in the hifi area. On the first floor, you'll notice the in-wall and in-ceiling speakers. You can easily compare brands such as Speakercraft, Klipsch and Definitive Technology. In the hi-fi lounge, you can enjoy Klipsch, ELAC, Q-Acoustics and Dali, just to name a few. These bookshelves and floor standers are powered by Arcam, Cambridge Audio, Perot, Yamaha and Emotiva. In our all-black home cinema room, you can compare up to 5 different projectors at any time. These include major brands such as Optoma, Epson, JVC and Sony. Emotiva, Yamaha Avantage and Arcam amplifiers drive Emotiva and SVS speakers. Thanks for watching the tour through our showroom. We'd love to see you in person at 11A Allens Road in East Tamaki, or you can visit us online at rapalloav.co.nz. See you later.